Hello friends and welcome to my channel. We all love desserts, isn't it? Sometimes we really crave to eat something nice. At the same time we are looking for something healthy as well. So here is one such recipe which is so easy, just a 3 ingredient dessert. Believe me, it is really amazing just with 3 ingredients. We are making chia seed pudding. Chia seed with coconut milk and little bit of honey, that's it, and it tastes really awesome. I've tried it and I love eating that all the time. In fact, sometimes you can make variations also. You can flavor it with cardamom powder if you want, or few drops of rose syrup. The same pudding can also be made with yogurt or soy milk or the normal milk, anything, and even served for breakfast. You can add lot of add-ons to this pudding, like dry fruits, crushed walnuts, fresh fruits, you can cereals, anything you can add and relish it whenever you want. It's so easy, as simple as that. Let's go and make the pudding. So for this pudding we will be requiring only 3 ingredients. These are chia seeds, you get them easily everywhere, honey, 1.5 teaspoons each will be taking, and 200 ml of coconut milk. Open the coconut milk pack and empty the contents in a bowl. Now you can also use soya milk, yogurt, normal milk, almond milk, anything you like. Now take a measuring spoon and measure 1.5 tablespoons of chia seeds. The same quantity of honey as well. So we are taking 1.5 tablespoons of honey. But if you are okay with sugar, you can go ahead and use sugar also, but you have to reduce the quantity, add to your liking as much as you like. And also you can add organic jaggery powder if you wish to. So now we have added the honey. All we have to do is just mix everything together. Very simple and easy dessert or breakfast. Chia seeds are loaded with nutrition and are very low in calories. They help in weight reduction also, so Weight Watchers can easily make and enjoy this. Now mixing is done. We are going to cover it nicely. You can also use a cling film if you don't have a cover like this. This goes into the refrigerator now for 6 to 7 hours. After 6 to 7 hours, you can see that the chia seeds are all puffed up. They have soaked the coconut milk. If you are eating for breakfast, you can leave them overnight. So now this goes into the serving bowl. At this stage, if you want, you can add any other add-ons like cereals, fresh fruit, dry fruit, crushed walnuts go very well in this. Bananas also taste very good. Diced apples also. Anything. Sky is the limit. You can just think of anything you like and just add. Few drops of rose syrup also give a very good taste to it. If you are adding rose syrup, then reduce the quantity of sweetener. Now serve it in a glass and garnish it. Now this is one portion, but if you are adding other things like fresh fruits and all, you can divide it into 2 bowls. Garnish with anything you have. I have used little tutti frutti and mint leaves to give a beautiful look to it. Just grab anything and garnish. Here it is ready for you. Make and enjoy this healthy 3 ingredient chia seed pudding. Isn't it awesome? I'm sure you're going to love it as much as I do. Thanks for watching. Friends, check out these videos in case you have missed them.